Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Kosha Mangsho is a delicious spicy Bengali style mutton curry. Mangsho means meat and kosha means cooking on slow heat with spices. Kosha Mangsho is a very popular traditional curry in Bengal and its literal meaning is salted meat. It's made with mutton, onion, spices and other basic ingredients. So let's get started. The first step is marination. For that I have taken around 500 grams of mutton, goat meat with bones and one small piece of ginger cleaned and chopped, around 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 2 big onions, half a cup of thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ground masala powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So this ground masala powder gives a good flavor to the mutton. So we'll have a quick look at how to make this masala. So in a pan I have taken all the spices: chili, coriander, pepper, jeera, cinnamon cloves, all the spices. Keep the flame low to medium and we'll fry it for 5 minutes until we get an aromatic smell. Cool it down, add it to a mixer jar, grind it to a fine powder and store it in an airtight container. You can use it for any kind of gravies you are making. So now we'll make the masala paste. For that, in a mixer jar we'll add ginger, garlic, onion, curd and all the masalas and grind it to a very fine paste, and we'll keep this aside. So now in another mixing bowl we'll add the mutton pieces, wash it well and add the grinded masala paste to it and mix it well so that the masala gets coated to every pieces. You can marinate it for 2 to 3 hours or you can marinate 8 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. Marination is very important. So once it is done, we'll prepare the curry. For that, in a pan I have added 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil starts smoky, we'll add bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of sugar and let the sugar gets dissolved. The sugar gives a very good color to the curry, light brownish color. Now we'll add the whole spices and fry it, and now we can add 2 large onions finely chopped. Keep the flame to high and you can cook it until the onions are translucent. Once the onions are cooked properly, we'll add 3 to 4 green chilies and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we'll saute it well until the raw smell of the ginger garlic vanishes. And now we'll add 1 tablespoon of the ground masala powder, which will add a very good flavor to the curry. So we'll saute it and add the marinated mutton to it and mix it well. Now let the flame be to high. We'll cook for 5 to 6 minutes in high flame. And also you can add salt as per your taste. So after cooking for 5 to 6 minutes, we'll put a tight lid, close it, and we'll cook for minimum 3 hours. So every 1 hour or in between, you can just sprinkle some hot water and mix it well so that the mutton gets cooked well. The mutton has to be very tender. So keep stirring and cook it until we get a very rich brown color, and this will give a very good taste to the mutton gravy also. So we cook it in slow so that the mutton gets cooked well and the gravy gets thickened. So after cooking for 3 hours, you can see the color of the mutton. So it has been changing. So friends, while cooking for 3 hours, the mutton becomes very tender, juicy, and now you can see that our curry is ready. So we have cooked for totally 3 hours, and if you want to, you can cook for 4 hours if the mutton is not properly cooked. So if we marinate it properly, the cooking time can be saved. So one main ingredient is potato. Usually in Kosha Mangsho they add potatoes, which gives a good flavor to the mutton curry. So if you want, you can also add mutton. So friends, try this yummy recipe and comment me in the comment section. You can serve this with rice, roti, any kind of dishes. So it's a very nice mutton recipe. Friends, try this recipe and comment me in the comment section. Thank you.